Go.
What it do, Ellen K family? Today we are here with another video.
What's up? What's up? What's up? So today, we are going to be trying. Where are these from?
I don't know, you ordered it.
Turkish snacks and snacks from Japan, I believe.
We're just gonna be trying foreign snacks, basically.
Yes, international.
International
It is
foreign
currently
snacks.
1:47 in the morning, and we've been waiting on this package, and we just up chilling. So why not? I'm about to get into it.
It's coming in this little package right here.
So these are the Turkish snacks. And before y'all say anything, the reason why I got on this hat is because underneath boo, a little loud right now, and that's okay. Yeah, we read the reviews on these, and people were saying it was actually good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm nervous, but we're gonna see. What is that? What we opening first?
I don't know. It's a little burger. Let me just see how that tastes first.
Oh, is that a candy?
I don't know. Let's see. They look like crackers, like cookies. Okay. Like a chocolate chip.
Yeah. I know the Girl Scout cookies with the chocolate drizzle on it.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Sit down, sit right here. I like these. It's good.
Okay, next we got. I don't know what this is. I'm guessing it's like some form of Cheez-It. That's the vibe that it's given.
Okay.
Not bad. It tastes like Funyuns.
I don't want to say fun. Like Lay's chips. No. What you call them thing? Little healthy ones, like the
What healthy ones?
you know, the healthy chip. It's not fried, but it's like oven baked like Ruffles. Oh, oven baked Ruffles. Yeah. Hold on, I'm
Nah, bro, that's just being greedy. Okay, next we have the pizza cracker.
Oh, you chose. Let me choose something.
Okay, here. Open that one. No, you want something different?
Yeah, I want to choose. All right.
Yeah, good.
Choose this.
We got hella snacks. I ain't gonna lie. We gonna be set all week. Ooh,
Let me try this. This thing looks. It look like it ain't gonna like it's gonna taste well, but.
What is it? Let me see.
Like a big ass cookie.
A flat cookie. Oh, I don't. That remind me of common stuff that be like foamy, you know, when you bite into it. Bite it.
Wait until Tuesday. Very plain.
It's an American cookie like this. I don't know how to explain it.
The
Wafer.
The wafers with the little cream in the middle. This is basically what that is.
Yeah, but no cream. 3 out of 10. You must like it. You about to eat the whole thing.
Very plain. You know what I'm saying? You probably dip this with some coffee or something. That's not bad though.
Some milk, maybe.
I wouldn't buy it.
Nah. All right, pizza cracker. Next. You know them snacks that they be having? It got like the pizza filling in it. Come on, it's like a pretzel. Yeah, that's what this reminds me of. Oh, actually tastes like
a crust of the pizza.
it's good. They are good snacks. I'm guessing just healthy version without all the preservatives in it. It's not bad. 8 out of 10 for that.
I'll give this a 7.
A 7?
Not bad though. Alright, I'm gonna just get these out of the way because I don't look like I'm gonna like these.
It's a pretzel, look like.
This is sesame stick. Look like, alright.
But you be liking stuff sesame though. Kayvon like anything sesame, teriyaki.
Sesame chicken.
It smells like peanut butter. It's not bad. It tastes like a peanut butter stick. But I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter. So, I give it a 4 out of 10. Maybe 3 out of 10.
I don't like the way it tastes.
No, it tastes like peanut butter?
It tastes like sesame. Like a sesame stick. That's what it tastes like.
I never had a sesame stick.
Dead on it. Like, when you look for sesame, that sesame taste, that's what it tastes like. Sesame on a goddamn stick. Not bad though.
Alright, these look good. So I'm gonna open these because that sesame stick just kind of messing my taste buds. Let me get something to drink, man. Hold, please. That's all. Share. These are good. It tastes like the regular vanilla filling cookie, but with less sugar.
That's not vanilla right there. I don't know what that is.
It has like a cinnamon taste to it too.
Like cinnamon.
But it's not bad. Maybe an 8 out of 10.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Really, baby. Baby.
Let me see what I'm putting.
What's next?
Let's switch it up.
I'm happy you picked that. I need something fruity.
You got these gummy bears. Let me see what we're talking about. Hold up. You get a green one. Alright, I got a yellow. Here you go. Alright, let me see. Let me get that green right there. Let me see.
Ooh, good. Like it.
Okay.
12 out of 10.
10 out of 10. I would buy that again. Let me see. Your turn. Pick some. Pick some.
That's good. I really don't want any chocolate. I'm not chocolate girl. Let's do these crackers. They got 2 different kinds in here. So I wonder if one is sweet and the other is salty.
It just says cheese cracker.
Where? No. This one does not tell you. It's in Turkish. So, I don't know. This one's sweet. Alright. Animal cookie.
Yeah. Animal cookie from back in the day shaped like an animal. Exactly what it tastes like.
It's like a 7 out of 10.
I give it 10 out of 10. They're
10 out of
good.
10?
I'll buy these.
Again? Okay. You pick next.
Alright, we got some toothpaste and stop.
What is it? You gotta put it on a cookie or something.
Yeah, it looks like what's that stuff y'all be eating all the time? Nutella. What it look like? But
I'm not a fan.
let me see.
There's hella chocolate stuff in here.
It looks like a cake. I like chocolate, so yeah, chocolate cake. I'm gonna try it. That bit called Pootie. Let me see. What
Like Pootie Tang. Smell it. It looks like a brownie.
It looks like a brownie, y'all. It look good.
It's giving jail food. It's so. I don't want a big piece, but it's a small bite. I'm not a chocolate fan.
Okay. Like a plug cake.
Not moist at all. No.
Definitely not.
It's dry as hell, actually.
I give it a 7 out of 10 though. I like it.
I give it a 0 out of 10.
With some milk. Hold on.
You eat the whole thing? Okay. This next, because all we have left is chocolate.
And use some water.
You want to wait for you, babe?
You good.
Okay. This is like a, what are those? Back in the day, a moon pie, a moon crunch. I used to love those. Okay. Like marshmallow. I'm not a chocolate fan, so I don't know. Maybe if I don't like it, Lil Key kept on finna have to try the rest of these himself with all this chocolate in it. You take a big bite. You know what it tastes like. You like it? Zero out of 10 for sure.
It's not bad. I don't like marshmallows like that in my treats. But I give it a 8 out of 10. It's not bad at all. It don't taste bad.
Who next? You? No, hey, why you just want to open the chocolate?
I eat Pop Rocks. I'm gonna wait. I had something like these before. Little sticks with the chocolate on it. Hold up, I don't know if you can see that, all that.
Pop sticks. I think that's what they're called.
That's American. This is Turkey. It's something different.
It says sticks on it, literally. I don't want one, babe.
No, you gotta eat it now. Cheers. It's not bad. Probably.
Okay, mommy. Zero out of 10, don't like it.
It's not bad at all. It's probably healthy. You know what I'm saying? If you need something a little sweet, but you don't want too much of it.
Probably healthy or is healthy.
I don't know what's possible.
No.
I give it an 8 out of 10.
0.
I'm putting this on my snacks I'm gonna eat tonight when I'm playing the game.
Alright, next. Today is morning.
Okay.
I'm talking about tonight. Anywho, next. This is probably the only chocolate that I like. It's like a caramel chocolate bar. Oh, they got a long expiration date. Okay. No.
Sugar
A
bar.
Kit Kat. Kit Kat. A Kit Kat.
Let's get man. Snicker. Yeah, they got the little.
There ain't no nuts in there.
So?
Wait, what's next?
Yeah, Snicker. That's what you use it. Not Snicker.
Kit Kat.
Not Kit Kat.
Yes, the taste of it?
It's a Twix. There we go.
Yes, that Twix mixed with Kit Kat.
Nah, I just say Twix. Yeah, the little caramel. I like caramel.
This is barely, babe. There's barely any caramel in there, y'all. What's next?
Cat Tap.
I don't want one.
No, you gotta eat it, man.
The chocolate is like taking me out the game right now. It's too much.
I want to see what this tastes like.
This is like a Reese's.
That was bread. Actually, bread. I thought it was gonna be like a chocolate. Okay, it's already broken up.
Oh, it looked like Danish bread a little bit.
Hold up now.
It's coconut. I don't want that. I don't like
There's
coconut.
no coconut. It's just the bread. It's just broken up. Man, you can try it. That's what the video's for, man. Try new things. I'm gonna let it take the first bite.
It looks like a piece of shit.
There you go. Just take a
Okay, man. I don't like the smell.
Make the shit.
Mm.
No, bro, come on.
No, I can taste it. I don't. That brown.
Bite it.
I did.
Bite. No, bro, you do not take a bite. You're supposed to be trying the candy, and you ain't even trying the candy. Dang, just eat the thing. It's not good, but it's not bad. I'm gonna get a 5.
0 for sure.
I like the little crust, like the texture of it.
You know what you did to me?
Mm,
Eat the cake anime.
you need to.
That's insane.
It's not bad.
Y'all seen Tina Turner? That's disgusting. It's horrible. I realize most of their snacks is like cheese and chocolate based.
That we got in here. Just can't base the whole country off of a box.
Yeah, but it's like 30 snacks in here.
Oh, it's just the chocolate stick
The
without the
cheese stick.
chocolate.
No, this is cheese.
That's nasty. That's nasty. That tastes like cheese for real though, but no cheese. Tastes like
It tastes like an off-brand cheese dip.
I don't like cheese.
5 out of 10.
3.
3?
Yeah, I give it a 3. Yeah,
That's insane.
feel like this gonna taste like orange exactly.
It's something flavorful.
All right, let's see what you got, Kent.
Cheese!
What up?
I'm gonna put my braces on. That's hard. But it's good. You get an 8 out of 10.
Wow.
That's why I want a little poo. Let me piece out your mouth. Don't act. My turn. You got this little piece. There's no way we can share it, so I just had to be one taste it. It's like a little ball. Babe! Babe, stop!
Now we can share it.
How?
It's
Oh,
big.
okay.
Yeah, look at it.
Open it.
Hold up.
That thing hard, ain't it?
It's true now.
Chew faster.
Leave my plate.
Ew. Is that gum?
Yeah, look like that.
It's sour though.
Besides one.
It don't matter. This actually was really good. I don't like sour stuff.
Not that sour.
Only for a little bit. I remember 10 out of 10. Turned a little minty afterwards, actually. I low-key want to swallow it. It's good. I like it.
Yeah, it's good. Oh yeah. Piece of little small candy. What?
You throw it away.
Say that for later when I'm playing the game. Alright, let me
Why you
see.
keep trying to throw that out? Yeah. But I'm not tasting it. I can't. The chocolate,
Man,
my
it's
stomach
real.
is turning for real.
Yeah. You gotta eat it. We're here to try new candy. That's what we're doing. No excuses. Let me see.
Okay, well, give me the gummy so I can counterfeit the taste, please. They're disgusting.
Oh, this looks good. It look like you can, you know what I'm saying, with some coffee. It's like a got a good smell to it too.
No, oh my gosh, babe.
It's so vanilla-y and
No, it is not. It does not
Take the
smell
first
good.
bite.
You're only saying that so I can want to taste it.
Mm-mm.
Jay, eat the whole thing.
This cracker is so nice and soft. And the chocolate in the middle is decent. It's good.
Okay, paid promotion.
I say 8 out of 10. Now, I don't think I will buy this. I probably would anyway, yeah. I think just start like, damn, that shit. Go, coffee. Come on, man.
Don't
Bruh, bite
don't
it.
try. Do not try
Bite
to shove
it.
it down my throat, babe. Wait.
That's
But
not
stop. You're not even giving me a chance to
You're
bite
not
it.
biting it, man. It's good.
It's disgusting.
All right, let me see what we're talking about. I picked that or you picked that? I don't think you can pick right here. This. I think that's like chocolate.
It's not chocolate. It's cheese.
That's what I said.
Pop rocks. I mean, yeah, pop rocks. And it's what it's called in America, pop rocks, but there in Turkish it's called bumbio. I don't know. Cola flavor. You big.
What the hell?
This ain't right.
This shit don't look like. That shit looks like meth.
What? This is definitely not pop rock. Matt,
It tastes like cola.
this is not pop rock. Because pop rocks pop in your mouth.
Texture's not good.
Yeah. Maybe it's still.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is still. It's expired 2023. That's why it ain't popping.
Yeah, take out old candy.
Wow.
I thought something a little awful about it. I'm like, man, old candy. That's why it look like meth. I'm like something somebody be smoking.
I don't know about ain't smoking that. They gonna be sick. Well, people don't care about it.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you pick next, man.
I don't know. This look like it's about to be good. It got a little happy panda on it. Chocolate. Oh, it got a panda face on it. That is.
Look how cute. Panda, panda, panda. I want to lick the face. Is it cookies and cream? Nasty.
That's how top chocolate's supposed to taste.
Oh, yeah.
Not sweet. Just chocolate. Like.
I give it a 4 out of 10. I gotta keep turning around checking on our princess.
Chocolate.
You not gonna finish it?
5 out of 10. It's not bad. 6 out of
3 out of 10. Next. These say cheese crackers. Good.
They're not bad. 7 out of 10. Very cheesy, very crackery. Not too like, you know, it's like a soft cracker. Like
I can still taste the chocolate.
I will be tasting each flavor. It was good. Okay. All this chocolate. No. We have to finish. Let me see. Been avoiding this. But there's a panda in here. Is this the same company?
Them most definitely not.
Different companies. It's a little cake with a little
It's a
cookie at the
cracker.
bottom.
But y'all eat this? No, you bite it first.
Come on, let's bite it together. Big bites.
Babe, I don't want a big bite.
Big bites. Let's
I
go.
only want a tiny bite.
God damn.
I'm sorry. I would give that a 0 out of 10. I am not a fan.
Yeah, look.
I did taste it, babe. I tasted it. I didn't like it.
A little bite. What the hell?
No, y'all know some stuff that you really just do not like the taste of, but your body will not allow you to swallow.
You gotta swallow it to taste it.
I did taste it.
She ain't taste shit.
I did. It burst in my mouth.
It's not good. And how did it burst in my mouth? It was dry as fuck.
No, it
This
was
shit
not
is
that dry.
The marshmallow dry as hell, hard as hell.
It didn't have
Cookie.
nerve to put sprinkles on it.
This shit nasty. But I give it a 2 out of 10. If I was hungry, I'd probably eat it.
I think I just eat air. I had to scavenger up some noodles or something. I think I want some noodles with hot sauce.
Alright.
That was my turn. Lollipop. I got this stuff wrapped. Mango.
Oh, that's saliva.
Baby, don't act. Kmon trying to act because he eat off of me all the time, and you put your tongue right down my throat. So what's the difference? No, you want me to lick it after you now? Oh, okay. It tastes mango-ish. Like Tahitian. No, what's the stuff that people put on a mango?
It's a good lollipop. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Orange. Now this shit look weird. And this look like coconut.
I'm allergic.
You're not allergic, but you gotta eat it.
I am allergic to coconut.
Look how nice and presentable that looks.
And it has marshmallow in it. That little marshmallow.
Alright, let's get this junk over with. Let's see.
Baby, you are very trustworthy. You keep taking bit by it's nasty. He don't like it. I know I ain't gonna like it. Babe.
Come on.
Okay, if I don't like it, I can spit it out, right?
Duh,
Okay.
yeah, take a bite, bro. Don't be nibbling on it. Bite that shit.
Yeah. Bring it close so I can bite it.
Me ain't even bite it. Oh my
Babe.
god, bro.
I did. Why
Are you tasting the food or not?
I am. Why you try to stuff it down my throat?
I'm not. I'm trying to
Yes,
make you
did.
Bite it. Not bad. I don't like it.
Oh,
I give it a 2 out of 10.
look at Zeus. He right here begging.
That's chocolate, sir. You can't have that. Ah, all right. It's not bad. I'm only trying to think it's just nasty.
It is.
But the combination of chocolate, coconut,
No, Papa.
marshmallow. I
And
don't like
that
moon
cracker.
I don't like moon pie. So if you like moon pies and coconut, you probably like me. Moon pies are nasty. Especially the banana ones. Y'all ever had the banana ones?
That's what you used to eat growing up.
I used to peel them motherfuckers off and marshmallow off and just eat the cracker.
How? The marshmallow was on the inside.
That's what I'm saying.
That was ungrateful of you.
Alright, that's just some more Nutella chocolate. Got some nuts in them. Looks pretty promising.
We about to find out.
This is like a dark chocolate. This ain't no. Alright.
It looks like a Star Crunch. Is it good?
Let me see that bite. Yeah,
I did it. I did bite it.
No, take
Hang
another
on,
bite.
want me to put the whole chocolate bar down my
Yeah,
throat?
bite that shit. You ain't biting shit, bro.
Nah, babe.
You ain't biting it, man.
I am. Look at it in my mouth.
Man, little ass piece.
It's enough. I'm taste testing.
Man, you supposed to taste it.
I'm tasting it right now.
It's
It's
very
in my
familiar
mouth.
taste. It tastes like one of them,
Moon pie.
not a moon pie.
I mean Star Crunch.
It's not a dark crunch either. It tastes like, to me, it tastes like, a little Nutella, cookie. Well, candy bar they got now. It's exactly what it tastes like.
You had it before?
Yeah.
When?
I don't know.
Was it good?
It tastes like that.
Yeah. Can you give me gummy bears? It's not helping, honey.
Next we got this another chocolate bar.
I got coconut in my mouth.
I'm tired of this chocolate. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm telling y'all, like half of the, but 50%, maybe 80% of the box was chocolate. It's like Nutty Butter.
Just eat it and find out.
Okay, relax. Don't try to force it down on me. Babe, give it to me. Let me see.
Bite this shit, bro. There you go.
I don't like it.
What the hell? Over here taking little bites and stuff. We're supposed to be trying food.
I'm trying the food. But if he kept on, he'll put it down his throat before he knows if he like it or not. He stuck the whole thing, well not that way, he'll stuck the whole thing in his mouth. That's not me, honey. I had to nibble on it first.
Yeah, alright, taste something. Taste it. And I'll drop it. Play with me.
Don't play at me. Your booty was just too tough. I used to stuff my breast smell good. Why you be on here lying?
Alright, let me see.
That's like what them other cookies you talking about.
Oh, okay. There you go.
Thank you. I ain't gonna lie. The smell is not appealing. Smell it. You like it?
Not bad. Plain chocolate.
I
5 out of
don't
10.
like it.
5 out of 10, guys. Not bad at all.
I'm gonna give it a right.
We got this tube.
Let me give it to you.
Alright.
I'm gonna give it to you first.
Okay.
Come on, baby.
I'll put it on a packet.
No, come on. You cheating. Come here. Open.
Man,
Baby, open your mouth. Come on.
let me clean my tongue out.
You see how he do when he not ready, but he forced me to eat it. This too chocolatey for my liking. Come on.
Give me a second. I still got chocolate on
Get more chocolate.
Michael.
Open. Wider. Wider.
Alright.
No, I want to do mine myself. I'm sorry. Please. Please, babe. I can do it myself. I don't trust you. No. Dave, no, please.
It's not bad though. It tastes like Nutella. Actually.
I don't like Nutella and I'm allergic.
It's actually nice and sweet. Come on.
Babe, please don't OD me.
I'm not.
OD me. Okay, I'm nervous a little bit.
got
Can you
you.
put mine on the cracker?
Nah. Come on.
Wait, I'm nervous.
Most of it is already out.
Okay, I don't want to lie.
All right, come on.
Look, I can do the twerk.
Come on.
Okay, please.
Come on.
Okay, stop it.
Ready?